There is absolutely so much tech that is built into this smart ring, the Ultrahuman Ring Air smart ring. And we're going to talk more about it right after this. Please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and also share it out, as it truly does help out my channel. Looking at the box, you can see I opt in for the matte gray. You have 5 different colors you can choose from: raw titanium, aster black, matte gray, which is what I have, space silver, or bionic gold. Let's have a look at the side here. And you can see what is stated here. Ultrahuman Ring Air accurately measures sleep, recovery, and movement to provide actionable health insights daily. With that stated, let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. And you're presented with the ring right away. Let's pull this out. Nice width to it. I'm definitely digging the width of this. And it's pretty light, actually. I'm liking that. Got some documentation. Have a charging dock, Type-C port, Ultrahuman Ring charging dock. Nice and small, very simple, and easy to travel with. Must be the charge cable in here. So we have a braided charge cable. We have Type-C to Type-C. Branding decals. Regarding the charging, you want to make sure that you fit this on correctly. And you can see that it's not a full circle as far as the charger is concerned. That's what that cutout is for. So once you have that piece right there lined up with this, I wanted to point a couple things out. It does take about 2 weeks for this ring to fully calibrate with your body and its readings. And not only that, when you do wear this ring, make sure sensor right here. So make sure that's facing the palm side of your hand. Just drop it right on there and your ring is charging right away. For the iPhone users, the Ultrahuman Ring Air app is compatible with Apple Health, and you can sync all of your data from the ring into that app, so everything is all synced and listed for you instead of bouncing in between apps. However, the Ultrahuman app does a great job of tracking your sleep-in and the different stages of your sleep-in. It provides info regarding diet and what can be done to help improve your sleeping. It also provides data regarding recovery time. Also check out your heart rate and see where it spikes or drops during the night. You can also check or monitor your body temperature in case you get sweats or chills during the night out of the ordinary. You can monitor your temperature and track and see what's going on. And of course, you can check your activity throughout the day, how many steps you've done. And what's nice about this app, there's nothing you need to activate. Once you have it set up, it just does the work for you in the background. So it's nothing that you need to remember to activate and turn on when you're about to do an activity. And this automatically continues to track as you go. You could pretty much just slip on the ring and forget it, and the rest will be done for you. Regarding the battery life, you can get up to about a week with this. It takes about 2 to 3 hours to get a fully charged ring, which is somewhat steep, but the amount of tech that's built into this and it lasting about a week, I think that is pretty fair enough. Now, regarding sizing, they will send you this ring sizing kit where you're able to test out and see what ring size fits you the best. Regarding the feel of this ring, it feels premium. It does feel premium. It has a nice feel to it. When you slip this on your finger, it has more of a feel of jewelry versus a fitness tracker, which is really nice. You slip this on, you forget you have it on, and you go about your day. Now, the Ultrahuman Ring Air is waterproof up to 100 meters, so you can have a swim with this and have no issues to worry about. You know, unlike some of these smartwatches, you put those on and you know you only can have it in water for so long before you need to take it out. Put this ring on, you can just stay in the water as long as you need to and not have to worry about it. Swim all day and get your fitness on while it's being tracked. Now, as far as doing powerlifting, lifting dumbbells or lifting weights, I don't recommend wearing this. I tried even doing something as simple as push-ups and it does seem to get in the way. So if you're gonna do some power train, I definitely recommend taking this off, not only because it will get in the way or more likely get in the way, but you don't want to cause any damage to this. Now, this is quite durable. It is made out of titanium and tungsten. So indeed, it is quite durable, but still, you want to make sure that you're not doing things to cause damage to it because it is still metal and it can have damage done to it. I wanted to bounce back into the app really quick and look at the sleep index. Let's go here. See how the breakdown is. How cool is that? I know around this time at 5:27, I think alarm went off, and that's probably why you see that red marking there. But besides that, look at the breakdown. Look how nice that is in detail. All from this ring. So cool. If I go back here and let's check out recovery. Again, some more information. Really, really nice. I won't cover everything for the time's sake of the video, but again, you get so much information collected from just this little guy here. How amazing is that? Now, the price of the Ultrahuman Ring Air is a bit on the steep side at $349.99. But the amount of tech that you receive with this ring, no subscription fees, built and designed, I believe makes it well worth it. Now, if you're interested in the Ultrahuman Ring Air smart ring, then please use the link in the description section of my video. Now, this completes my unboxing and review of the Ultrahuman Ring Air smart ring.